You join us on a job we started months ago. It's been an absolute nightmare job, so I'm going to get you up to speed right now.
Definitely going to need a skip, aren't we?
This natural stone wall is probably about 200 years old. Probably the same age as the property behind me. Now, the job originally was meant to have the original railings on. However, they got ripped off. Someone smashed up all the coping stones and weighed the railings in. So not only do we have to go to a reclaim yard and get new coping stones, we also have to get new railings, which is very expensive. All we've been doing so far is working through the pile of rubbish that's been sat here for like the last 2 years, going through and finding all of the stone and cleaning it up.
Well, dig through the rubbish.
Once we find water and once we find power, we'll finally start rebuilding. So we've just measured the wall. It's 21 meters long. Just trying to figure out the original coping stones. So we're going to measure up this one, which is one of the originals. There we go. Go to an old salvage yard and try and find some of these again. Whether or not we will be able to, I don't know. There's no water on this job, no outside tap, and I can't get access to inside. Not been left to code. So it's what it is. So we'll be back here whenever to throw a mix on and build this up, but for now, don't know, we're off. But yeah, overall not a bad day. That's where we're leaving it. Railing's been stolen, all the expensive coping stones been smashed, no access to water. Finally, 4 months later, we have water and we have coping stones on the way after spending a lot of money. We've started laying the original stone. This is it. It's not too bad to lay. Now what we've had to do is go back in time using Google Maps to figure out all the steps on this job. Looks like it steps every 5 meters, steps down 2, maybe 3 course of stone, and then we have the coping stones on. So we're going to throw another mix on right now. 5-2-2. No, it's not. It's 5-1-1, ain't it? 5 sand, 1 lime, 1 cement, and then we will do some proper laying and I'll show you how we're getting on. But I thought I'd get you all up to speed on this crap job. How's that compo looking? Was it all right? Nice. Ah, still the wrong one. I need like a small 100 miller. That's the one. Do you want to go grab the bucket of Flompo then for me, please, buddy? Nice. We're using Google Images from a few years ago to help us figure out what this wall used to look like. So it was knocked down back in 2024. So we've had to use Google Street View on this road from way back when, before the wall was knocked down, and using pictures from this side of the road and this side of the road to figure out what all the coursings look like. So this side had 4 course showing, 1, 2, 3, 4, before it stepped down, and it looked like we had 100 mil on the top. So that works really well. And then around this side, we've got a 200 mil and a 170 to bring us up to the correct level to put the coping stone on. The pointing method as well, what we're using, is like ribbon struck or weather struck. You can see some of the original pointing here. It's not very pretty. What do you reckon to the pointing?
Shocking.
Absolutely shocking.
The original is.
That's ain't much better.
No, we're just trying to match in.
Matching in.
That's what we're doing.
Oh dear. That's it. I tell you what, if I dump this huge load into there.
Yeah.
Oops.
And on the
Yeah, get one more bucket out. Hopefully that'll get rid of everything in the mixer. Oh, now that is a nice piece of stone. Good morning, how are you?
Mate, you?
Yeah, not too bad. How's your night?
Well, thank you.
Good. No, it looks good. It looks okay. It's hard piecing everything back together, but I think we're on the right track. So pretty good day yesterday. Was able to get 4 courses on all over the job. Now today we've got our first hurdle, which is I don't think we have enough stone to actually finish the wall. What we're going to need is 2 courses of 160mm to get this side finished. But I think we ended up skipping a little bit of it, or it all got damaged when the railings got stolen and the coping stones got smashed up. So it probably got put in the skip. Load this wall out, fingers crossed we have enough. Anything remaining, we're going to try and put, wow, that sounds knackered. Anything remaining, we've got to try and put on this side of the wall, because we only need 1 course, maybe 1.5 courses on this side, and it's only going to be seen by these residents, which sucks for them, but good for the road. That's also going to work. No, that's fine. That can go there. That can go there. That one there. So we just need 2 more basic. Oh, that's nice. Bring it. Mate. And then all of this detritus, that can go down there. What do you reckon?
I reckon so.
I reckon so. Right, should we get this mix out then? Unbelievable. That is some delightful flompo, mate. I don't know how he does it day in, day out. It's just so good. So, that should be my dead man. I should just be able to put a line on that and just run into it, I think. Maybe we should refer to Google Images again. What do you reckon?
I don't think there's any harm, is there?
No. Step. And we've put it here.
I think it's far off.
Well, no. I think originally the step was, like you said yesterday, the disabled man's head. So if we bring it back a little. Yeah, we save stone, don't we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stone we'll save. Jake. Oh, here he is.
How's he doing?
Oh, he's doing amazing. How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
Really good.
All right, brother. I'll catch you in a minute.
All right, bro. Much love. Say bye,
good
Jack.
day, mate.
Say
Bye,
bye.
Jake.
Bye, Jake.
See you in a bit.
He's cutting insulation. He's cutting insulation while we're playing with stones. So the pointing on this job is weatherstruck pointing. So yesterday I said that this is the original pointing. It's obviously not, it's been repointed not so long ago with sand and cement. In all fairness, looking back at the Google photos, it actually looks like it was repointed very poorly back in 2018. Personally, Jack and I do hate weatherstruck pointing on stone.
Yes.
Yeah, it's horrible, isn't it? It looks really bad. I think it's an insult to stone. but we are trying to match into the original weatherstruck pointing on my right hand side and to my left, so it's not great. I would have preferred to do what we did on the stone build, but obviously we've been asked to do this. Oh my god, wow, unbelievable scenes, Jack, absolutely banging.
It's just on the top of the stone though, isn't it?
Yeah.
You get a cleaner cut.
Oh, that's loads better.
Get a cleaner cut.
So the final piece of the puzzle, 200-year-old puzzle put back together with Google Maps, is underway, and it's this section here. So we've just taken a few measurements. We need a 200mm stone on the bottom to get us pretty level with what we have, and then a 170 to bring us back with this coursing. Then we have this entirety to run in, and over there where we're going to have a real problem, but we'll have to come to that in a little bit. We're going to have to use up all the good stone we do have, like I've said. If we run out, we run out. Fingers crossed we don't, we'll have to wait and see. But for now, we are going to start pulling through. Yeah. So, pass me that level, please, and that should be level there now. Thank you so much. See, I reckon that used to be a corner piece because it looks weathered. It's not bad. Surprisingly not bad at all. Yeah, drop her down, drop your end. I just need to clean that perp off. It's like a lintel, isn't it? Are you alright to give me a big lift with it? Big lift, big lift. Right. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Nice. Down she goes. Oh, mate. Lovely. That is badass. Wow. It's very high though, isn't it? Actually, it's getting there, isn't it? This course is level with that course there, yeah? And the course I've got here is also level with this course here. Yeah. So everything in between should just want to work, or it should anyway. So that's with a bed joint, 190, 200, 200. And the only things we have left are like 160s, 170s. That's got to be really hard, isn't it? What do we do? What do we do, Jack? We ain't got enough, have we?
Definitely not got enough. We've got about 200 left.
I know.
Hit that.
Where's our stones gone? They're rats. What we're doing, I'm just using a bit of dirty water to not only take any smears off the stonework from where I've smudged it with my trowel or cement's got on it when we've been loading out. I'm actually trying to get all the mud, what was originally on the stone from a couple of years ago, back out onto the pointing and things like that, so it doesn't all look fresh. Basically, I'm trying to weather the stones with some dirty water onto the pointing as well to make everything look like it's not been relaid. Whether it's working, I don't know until it's dry. But I reckon I've done something positive. Mr. Positivity and his sidekick.
Exactly.
Not quite how I wanted to finish this video. I really wanted to get the entire wall built today. However, like always, another little setback on this job. We are 12 200mm stones missing, which is very unfortunate. But, you know, compared to how it was 4 months ago, at least the job has moved significantly forward, which is very positive. Next time we turn up, the coping stones are going to be here. They are going to be, hopefully, reclaimed and beautiful, and we'll have all of the stones as well to finish off the wall. So thank you very much for watching this. Oh dear, thank you very much. Fuck me. Thank you very much for watching this one, and we'll catch you next time when hopefully we finally wrap this wall up after 4 months.